So I just broke my first shear bolt of the year. I hit either a rock or a piece of wood. See this one? This auger has one shear bolt and it's on this side. So I'm gonna have to tap out the piece that may be inside. There's definitely a piece still inside. Here's part of the broken bolt that was inside. Yep, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a new shear bolt in. I have about 5 or 6 spares. You should always have a few spares. Not too tight. Here we go, guys. New shear bolt, ready to go.